Now I've got my yellow fondant, and what I need to do is roll this into a cord. So I'll just plop it down, take my fingers in the center, and roll out. And that should be plenty long enough. And I want to just put this right in the front to make the buckle. So I'll need to cut it right about there. Easy, don't worry about I usually kind of just put it on as a circle and then adjust it. And I'll just use a little shortening behind it to attach it. You could also use water behind it. Okay, and then once that's on, we just need to do the hair. Now what I'm going to do to create the hair is use my Sugarcraft or clay guns. I have this attachment, which is the rope attachment right here. It's got the 3 clovers, and you just squeeze. And then this one has, it's like a grass tip, or we can use it for hair to do the fringe like that's on there. So I'll go ahead and get this all out, and then I'll show you how to attach it. Okay, so I have both parts rolled out. I'm going to cut, I already cut this in half, going to cut this in half again. What you do is you twist it opposite directions to get the braid look like what is up there. I'm going to do this one also. And then just kind of braid these together. So this would come down on this side, right here. So place this underneath. Okay, so let me lift this up on here. Take one of these little fringes, kind of cut the ends so they're not so even. You don't want it to look that even. And then what you'd have to do is just attach it here. Sometimes you can just squeeze it together like that. If you need a little bit of water to attach it, you can do that also. You could just do a little bow with some buttercream or some royal icing there. Pull some of those apart. For the hair in the front, just take a bunch of these that I kind of just placed together and lift this up here in the front. And let me just spread this out a little bit more. So I'll just pull a piece apart, put some over here. And then you can just take scissors or whatever you have sitting around, kind of trim that. And you would do this on the blackboard, like I placed that one on a blackboard, but you would need to do this on the blackboard and keep it on the blackboard. Put a couple more of these up here. Okay, so that's how you can get the same look without going out and buying the party hat, like so. Okay. All right, so just do the one side just so you can kind of get the idea that you can kind of duplicate or replicate something similar. Okay, so have fun with it, and happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone.